See phone, our phone be this. Guys, you know the drill. It's your girl Tega. I'm out of the Garden of Eden. Sorry, from the Big Brother Naija season 6 is your favorite girl. See, let me tell you, you cannot throw away the baby and the water. Abi, the water and whichever one, you can't throw me away. I am your person for life. See, you know what? Right now, I want to go to social media, Instagram first. Let me go and see what's going on. Oh, so I went from 6K to 274K. I see the love, fam. The tribe. Mwah. So I have a Do Victoria Cyprian. I love you, Mama. No matter what, my love for you still remains. Vicky, Victoria, we are going to link up. This is my first love message I am reading. I love you, baby. Thank you. And I like and love you too much. Jennifer, I love you too. Thank you so much. This is really spirit lifting. Mama Boma, we are waiting for you. I'm waiting for you too, baby. I love you. I love you. Oh, Ramfed. He said, Tega, I pray you find the courage and strength to keep going. You are destined for greatness. Shalom. Thank you so much, Ramfed. I really, really appreciate this. Thank you so very much. Rukudzo Amanda said, Mommy Tegs, I loved your presence in the house. We'll miss your highlights. People who were seeing through the lines, thank you so much, Amanda. I love you. And I miss my highlights too. Thank you so very much, guys. The comments. So, yes, definitely we'll get to talk more and we'll get to, clear the air. Everybody goes home happy, So moving on to greater things.